Hi. Welcome to Sage Mailer. It's the second part of our How to Start with Sage Mailer tutorial. Check part 1 if you haven't connected your Amazon store yet. If you have done it successfully, let's create your first email campaign. In your Sage Mailer account, go to the Campaigns page and click Create First Campaign. Select the marketplace and letters you wish to include in your campaign. Then, click Save. Note: do not use both Amazon's Request a Review button and Custom Review Request templates simultaneously. If you keep sending 2 review requests per order, Amazon may temporarily restrict your account from sending proactive messages. You've created a campaign with 2 letters, but it is not active yet. We recommend editing your campaign's names accordingly to avoid getting confused. For example, Test Campaign 1. Before activating your campaign, edit the standard email templates according to your goals. Feel free to change the subject of your email and its content. Then, configure the necessary delivery settings. For example, you can activate the Include Past Orders function to send emails to your orders within the last 30 days. And for new orders, the email will be sent 3 days after the order delivery. Click Save and open the second letter. We can't customize it as it's the official Amazon's Request a Review button template. But we can adjust the delivery settings for better results. Don't forget to save edits. Now let's activate your email campaign. There you go. From now on, the campaign will run on complete autopilot. And your emails will be sent according to your delivery settings. Well done. Now you are ready to boost your feedback generation and make your sales soar. Good luck on your Amazon journey.